Man killed, 4 others injured at Sports Day in St. Mary. Man's body found with chop wounds in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man was shot and killed during a dispute with a group of men on the compound of the St. Mary High School in Highgate, St. Mary on Wednesday night. 4 other persons were left nursing gunshot wounds from the shooting, which occurred while a sports day party was being held on the school grounds. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old pump attendant Fabian Needham, alias Kill. Reports are that sometime after 8 p.m., Needham and men from the area became involved in an altercation outside the gates of the St. Mary High School, during which he allegedly threw a glass bottle at them. Needham then ran onto the school compound, but he was pursued by the men who opened gunfire, hitting him several times. 4 patrons at the event were also shot and injured during the incident. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Needham's lifeless body was seen, found lying on the ground with gunshot wounds. The injured persons were taken to hospital for treatment. The body of a man was found with chop wounds on a farm in Coley District in Claremont, St. Anne on Tuesday. The deceased is 54-year-old Tyrone Brown, alias Paul, of Coley District. Reports are that about 6:30 a.m., residents stumbled upon Brown's body and alerted the police. On their arrival, the police found the body with what appears to be chop wounds. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. The St. Anne police are probing the development.